Good morning, everybody. We are rushing to get to the conference because apparently the time zone change happened a day early. We all thought it was Sunday morning, and no, it's Saturday morning. Oops. Typically, no big problem because our cell phones automatically change over when that happens, but it turns out our phones were connected to a central time zone, not an Eastern time zone. So Lee's calling us this morning saying, hey, you guys on the way? Because Mike's doing the keynote in 20 minutes, and we're 20 minutes away. 9 minutes. Yeah, so 9 minutes from now, and we have 7 minutes to go to get there. So yeah, that's fun. That's our morning. What are you guys up to? Well, we are here at Chattanooga State University, and I dropped Doug and Mike off at the door so they could rush in. He starts his keynote right now. It's 9 o'clock. He's starting the keynote, so I'm walking in. This place is super nice. I have been yearning to wear a sweater, and I got to wear a sweater last night, and even like right now it's cool enough that I would be very comfortable in nice long sleeve shirt or something like that. Oh man, fall is nice. I'm glad I'm getting a taste of fall this year, which I don't know, we may go up for Thanksgiving in New Jersey, so maybe we'll get that again. It gets kind of, you know, it gets fallish in Alabama for Christmas, so yay, lots of fall. I like fall. Okay, I'm gonna go in. I didn't even get any coffee. Lee woke me up.
Good morning. It is time to get these horses fed because I am off on a secret adventure this morning. A secret adventure that I can't really talk a lot about because it's a secret. You know that feeling of like, oh my goodness, I'm ready so early. This is great. I can go do this, that, and the other as well. And then you realize, wait, no, I'm not early. I just forgot to do 15 things. I have done that so many times today. Food, yay!
Drupal Camp Chattanooga is over, and we are heading on over to the after party, which is where we slept last night, Lee's office. And man, you guys just, well, I mean, I'm sure some of you can. The weather here, it is absolutely perfect. I love fall so much. I'm so excited. I get to experience some fall. The leaves are falling. It's just that slight tinge of warmness, but mostly cool with the sun on you. I love it so much. Look at that. Nice, beautiful lighting. Anyway, camp was really good. It was smaller this year, but all the conferences this year seem to be dwindling in numbers. I don't know what the reason is for that. I know that, you know, that just camps are dwindling in numbers. It's low on sponsorship, low on attendance, so we don't know what's going on. We'll probably discuss it tonight, see what we can do to get some new blood in there. And people excited about Drupal and all that jazz. I think there's like motorcycle lessons going on over here. I'll show you that in a second. Anyway, I'm excited. It's a good camp. The weather's great. I'm gonna go there, but for now I'm gonna go call Amanda.
Well, hello, the secret mission is done, and I am here with Gracie because Rebecca lent me a saddle to try, a show Western saddle to try on Gracie. So let's see if this thing fits. The sun is so bright. Why you want to blind me, son? Rude. Aw, Gracie, you look so cute, Western. Looks pretty good to me, but I don't know a lot about these things. I don't know how to fit a Western saddle, so. But yes, I think it looks pretty cute on her. Well, somehow the saddle fits this munchkin too, and this one is doing way better today, which is great. Good girl, you feel better today. You feel better today. Yeah, you're a good man. Yay. So I just gave the horses their dinner hay, and it might seem kind of lame, but I want to share this time of night with you because it's just peaceful. It's just so pleasant. This is my favorite time of day on the farm. I say that all the time. I have lots of favorite times of day, but this is definitely top 5. Is this time of day when it's just the sun is starting to go down and it's just really peaceful. It's cooling down now that we're getting a little bit into fall. It's awesome. So just check it out. Enjoy. Relax. And then you come home to this racket. What? What? Certainly does make you feel loved though.